How are you?
Hey, Brad, I'm good. Yourself?
Good. What's going on?
I had a question. I I'm married.
Uh-huh.
I put in my papers to get a green card and everything.
Right.
Um, my wife, she keeps trying to threaten me that when the interview comes up, she ain't gonna do it. This, that. My question is, how difficult is it for immigration to turn you down? We have two kids together, and if you don't have like bank statements or income tax together.
Well, you're going to have to do your income taxes together. Just because you have two children together, all two children together means is that you had a relationship at the time your children were born, but it doesn't mean you have a relationship now. So
But we,
you will need to have your taxes together. That's going to be a requirement. You will need to show some other documentation to prove you live together and you share joint financial responsibility for the marriage. If your wife's giving you a problem and you don't have these documents, what I would suggest that you do is make an appointment to come in to talk to us, and we can delve deeper into this and figure out what to do for you.
okay.
David,
Yes. Good afternoon, Brad.
good afternoon.
Okay, my question is, okay, the cousin of mine, he's planning to get married to this young lady. She's a citizen and everything, but apparently she's on some kind of assistant of the government. I think she got like Section 8 housing. So what's the possibility of him getting a green card through her marriage?
Well, it's the totality of circumstances test. So if the wife is getting government assistance, even Section 8, she's showing she can't support herself, that could be a problem. I've seen plenty of people get through with Section 8. I've seen plenty of people get denied with Section 8
Okay.
because they look at the totality of circumstances. So until I speak to them and see what their whole financial situation looks like, I can't tell you yes, I can't tell you no. If you want to play it safe, don't be in Section 8.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
Tony, how are you?
Yes, good afternoon, sir. I have an issue here, a virgin of mine. He has a case like in 2001, and he had a marijuana case. And
Right.
what happened now? He went for his citizenship twice, and he has been denied. He went a third time, September of last year, and they're telling him, the gentleman tell him, listen, my supervisor's got to review your case again. So
When was his conviction? Let me ask you a question. When was his conviction?
2002.
When did he get his green card?
He came here with his green card
When?
in 95.
Okay. And his conviction was for weed, you said?
Yeah, marijuana.
How much? What quantity? How much of a quantity?
Like 10 pounds.
All right. So I would need to see, because he may be a deportable alien with that. Well, he certainly is a deportable alien with that, no question about it. Whether or not I could even beat a deportation case, I'm not even sure, because you have to, in order to even win a cancellation removal case in deportation, the arrest and conviction has to be more than 7 years after your entry into America. So I think he's got problems. I wouldn't push his citizenship, and I would have a phone consultation with me. I see you're calling from Florida, or if he's in New York, let him come into the office to see me.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, but I would not be pushing that citizenship.
Okay then.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you, Frank.
Hi, Brad. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. Brad, I have you have a case from with me, but there was a marijuana case in 1984, 2 bags.
Right.
But what I'm saying, I think that I don't know if it's blocking me from getting my stuff, but can you evict that case for me?
Sure. If you pled guilty, and it was in the state of New York, we can absolutely look into vacating that conviction. Now, you have a green card, right?
No, I don't have anything.
Okay.
You are the one going to give it to me.
Okay, fine. So if you don't have a green card, we absolutely have to vacate those convictions, because if you don't, you're never going to get a green card. So this is a situation where you have no choice but to go back and try to vacate the conviction and convince a judge two things. One, in 1984, Judge, you never told me I would never be able to get a green card, and now I've been living here 30 years without a green card. Had I known I wouldn't get a green card when I pled guilty in 1984, I wouldn't have pled guilty. I would have fought the case, and had I fought the case, there was a possibility I could have won. If I can prove that, the case will be vacated.
But it was too bad, but they say it was under 30 grams.
Okay, under 30 grams, you're entitled to a waiver. So I think what we should do, Frank, since I don't recall your case and we're going to run out of time, make an appointment to come back and see me, and let's discuss waiver versus vacating the conviction.
Okay, I'll see you.
All right, my friend?
Yes.
All right.